you want to start earning on Racket PH, this is the first thing you need to know. Hindi ka makakabenta without this step. So if you're serious about selling online, especially here with Racket PH, stay tuned ka nga lang till the end of this video. So Miss Rose, ano ba yung listing fee? So learners, according to Racket PH, listing fee is the amount you pay to publish or list a product on the platform. So ibig sabihin, ito yung kailangan natin para makapag-post tayo ng product and make it available online sa mga buyers natin. So itong listing fee na yan, hindi yan subscription kasi usually per listing yan or per product. So here nga with Racket PH, every product na gusto mong ibenta, may corresponding fees yan. So Miss Rose, bakit naman may fees na ganyan sa Racket PH? So based nga sa explanation ni Racket PH, ayan nga pong listing fee na yan is ginagamit nila para ma-maintain yung platform as well as ma-filter yung mga serious buyers and sellers. Pero take note ha, hindi ibig sabihin na nagbayad ka ng listing fee, magkakaroon ka na agad ng sales. So here, kailangan mo pa rin talaga ng magandang product and effective marketing strategy. So think of it na ito yung entry point mo to start selling your digital product online.